Hi, my name is Jeff Wuensch of Wuensch Construction. Today we're at a client's house in Eden Prairie, Minnesota here, and we're going to install the Vista lift. It's an attic truss lifting system for storage. It goes between the trusses and it's electric, and you load it up with all your stuff from the floor, and then you go upstairs with the remote control that lifts it back up to the attic so you can unload it from there. So why don't we get going? I'll take the camera and walk around and show you the area that we're going to do it in. So here's the garage we're installing it in. I just walked back to give you a bit wider view of the area. The first lift comes in three boxes, has to be assembled, and then we already have an attic ladder going up to the attic area. He wants to install it. We're going to locate it over by the garage door opener so we have electrical power. And then I'll take you upstairs here and you can see how it looks upstairs. I already got the lights set up for you and everything. So up here you can see we have ample room for the lift to bring the stuff in. We got the height requirements is plenty high, and this is the area we're storing it. We already have a deck down for the storage stuff, and there's the opening coming up here. Okay, we're back again. I set up some scaffolding, Safeway scaffolding, and a couple step ladders to work from the opening from down here. First thing you want to do is cut a hole that is perfectly square up in the ceiling. It requires 22.5, which is right between both trusses on the roof, and the roof trusses, and 46.5 inches long, and the hole has to be square. I also went upstairs in that area and made sure there was no electrical wiring or any pipe or anything else was running through that. So let's, I'll cut one side, down one side 46.5 inches, so I can use a square to make square cuts and then go from there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right alongside the existing truss. I'm cutting a couple holes, one on each side, so I can see the truss here, so I can use the square off of it to make my square marks. I'm going to cut alongside this existing truss. square marks on the sides and cut them, and that'll be the opening, finish opening for our lift. Well, there you go. We have the hole cut, as you can see, right through. Always make sure you have adequate height for the lift too. You need a minimum of 46.5 inches on top. Not every attic is going to have that much room up on top. We need a couple 2x6 blocks, and then we can start assembling the lift itself. It doesn't come assembled, so we got to assemble it together, and that'll take probably longer than doing the hole. So, okay, I got the frame above together with the motor mounted over the opening. You can see from sitting up here, the frame is all framed in, the opening. What I'll do next now is I'm going to assemble the lift itself, the crate that goes up into there, and put it together. Okay, I just assembled the door panel. This is what's going to go on the bottom of the crate. What you'll see from the bottom will be this side, and it goes up against the ceiling. Let's get on to the crate itself that carries everything up. Let's start getting the crate together. Okay, we got the cage ready. It goes up into the attic. We assembled it. Put the cover on the bottom, so when it comes up it hits the edges and seals it off. Let's see here. We have to do the cable system yet, and then we'll show you how it operates. It goes from there. Okay, we have the cables attached to the lift now, and I got a load on it. And I'll show you how this works. I'm going to move this camera up towards the hole so you'll see it come up. The control's up in the attic. We'll go from there. Shuts off, and now I'll lower it back down. Just like that. Okay, we're finished with the project. It takes longer to assemble the units than it does to do the cutting and stuff in the rafters. That's how it looks like when it's done. Up on the ceiling, it's a clean look. I'll take you upstairs here and show you how it looks up here. There we go. That's how it looks like when it's uplifted in there. There's a carton on there that needs to be taken off, but there's a chain around there for safety. Level of difficulty, if you're a handyman, you could probably do it. There's some wiring involved. We put an outlet over there, electrician did, and the controller is right here, which has a key switch on it to turn it on and off. When it's off, you can't control the button, but when it's on, you control the up and down button right here. So that's pretty nifty for safety. But that's it. Completed.